Want to keep your home tidy without the stress? Here are 8 surprising hacks that will transform your home from chaos to clean in no time. Instead of folding laundry in the bedroom or the living room, create a laundry folding station in the laundry room. That way it is easier to fold and put away your clothes with one specific designated folding space. It is easier to keep your clothes organized and keep fold more from spreading all over the home. This would also help us to put away clothes faster because they'll be in the one single spot and help to reduce clothing clutter in our homes. Next, consider using a donation box year-round. Keep a box in an easily accessible area such as a closet or the trunk of your car, and every single time you declutter, you can put it in that box, and whenever it gets filled up, take it to the donation spot. This keeps unnecessary items from piling up and helps to reduce clutter. However, if you're the kind of person that feels like you'll regret decluttering something, run to the donation spot immediately. You can kindly ask that they return your box, and that way you can still keep it year-round. Before leaving a room, do a 30-second tidy of that room. You'd be surprised at how quickly you can straighten up a room if you do this every single time you exit a room. Anything you see out of place, just simply put it back and you will see an instant tidiness all throughout your home. This helps maintain the tidiness all throughout the day and helps to keep a mess from building up. Create no clutter zones in hotspot areas within your home. They are a super duper magnet for clutter. So putting a decorative element on such areas will help prevent the buildup of clutter. By enforcing a clutter-free policy in these spaces, we are less likely to let messes accumulate in these visible and highly magnetic places. But speaking of clutter, be sure to assign a clutter basket per room. Keeping a basket in an inconspicuous area can help to prevent clutter all throughout the room. Sometimes we have random bits and bobs and we don't exactly know what to do with them just yet. And before we get around to decluttering them, they are causing the room to not look as tidy as it could. In order to prevent this, simply toss said items into the basket. And while they are still there and we need to deal with them eventually, it helps to reduce the visual clutter immediately. Alternatively, you can keep this basket for things that you know don't belong in this room. And a couple of times a day, or even at the end of the day, if you're not accumulating too much clutter, return these items to their proper place. This helps to control clutter without having to stop whatever you're doing every single time something gets put out of place. If you want to keep a tidy home, be sure to incorporate the 1 in and 1 out rule. Every single time something new comes in your home, be sure to bring something else. This not only helps to physically and drastically reduce clutter, this can also help our finances because we will be thinking extra hard before we bring a new thing in, knowing that it means something must leave our homes. This also helps prevent the accumulation of unnecessary belongings and keeps our home clutter-free in the long term. Every time you walk into a room, take 5 things that are out of place and put them where they belong. This turns tidying into a quick game that can be done at any time and helps to keep each room tidy without a dedicated cleaning session. Designate a reset room. Choose a room in your home and keep it spotless at all times. When the rest of the home gets messy, retreat to this calm and tidy space to recharge before tackling the rest of it. Bonus, if you keep this place very minimalistic, it is that much easier to keep tidy 100% of the time. A bonus tip, if you want to keep your home tidy at all times, ensure a no shoe policy inside the home. The outdoor shoes carry a lot of germs and Lord only knows what else. So be sure that you are keeping those germs out and your floors clean by removing the shoes before entering your home. You can of course have some indoor shoes if you wish, but keep the outdoor shoes out for a healthier and cleaner floor. And if you want even more tidy home tips, then check out this video here and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.